And now on Today in Florida, a one-on-one with the nation's top infectious disease expert.
Dr. Anthony Fauci weighing in on the COVID crisis in Florida, and he's saying he is done trying to get through to Governor Ron DeSantis.
As 7's Lynn Martinez reports, he's appealing directly to parents instead.
I'm not going to say anything to Governor DeSantis because he's not interested even a little bit about what I have to say. So I'll just talk to the people of Florida.
Dr. Anthony Fauci, top doc for infectious disease, wants Florida parents to know masks work.
You always want to respect a parent's decision about what they want to do with their children, but sometimes you have exceptional circumstances. And I think if there ever was an exceptional circumstance, we're living through it now.
Broward and Dade County public school superintendents defying Governor Ron DeSantis' ban on mask mandates in schools. Dr. Fauci says masks help everyone.
And sometimes you got to make sacrifices and do things that you wouldn't ordinarily do and comply with things that, although you might not like them as an individual, they are very important for the preservation of the health of the community.
What would you tell parents directly who are against their children wearing masks in class?
You know, I would try to explain to them that although it's uncomfortable to wear a mask, we all know that. Personally, I don't like to wear a mask myself, but I do because with a purpose behind it is to protect yourself and to protect others.
How are we doing on vaccinations?
Well, you know, we have about 90 million people in this country who are eligible for vaccines who are not getting vaccinated.
And that's a problem, according to Dr. Fauci, because nearly 100% of the COVID cases are of the aggressive Delta variant. And he says the vaccine's effectiveness over time doesn't fully protect you.
What we're concerned about, because of what we're looking at in Israel, is that over a period of time, they're seeing even more severe disease.
Which is why the CDC is now recommending getting a booster shot.
So there are two things we got to do. We got to get the unvaccinated vaccinated to begin with, and we have to start having an orderly, organized rollout of booster shots for those who have been vaccinated 8 months or so ago.
Dr. Fauci says things are getting worse and better at the same time.
In some respects, it gets better for the people who are vaccinated, but we're dealing with a moving target. You know, it isn't that recommendations are changing willy-nilly and discussions and recommendations and guidelines are changing. The virus has changed.
Dr. Fauci also says with the Delta variant, you can transmit it even if you are vaccinated, which is why the mask recommendations have changed, because you can pass it on to somebody else, even if you feel okay. At the news desk, Lynn Martinez for Today in Florida.